Okay, so we want to determine where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. So if a function is increasing, that means as the value of x's get bigger, the values of the function get bigger. So if we look at the 2 points here, as my x value increases, so does my y value, my function value. So this is an example of an increasing function. A decreasing function means that as the values of x get bigger, the values of the function get smaller. So the x gets bigger, the function gets smaller. So if we look at our graph, pick our 2 points, and you can see that my graph is going down from left to right. So that is what a decreasing function looks like. A constant function tells us that as the values of x get bigger, the values of the function are unchanged. So basically you end up with a horizontal line. So if we put our 2 points here, our line is just going straight across. So that would be a constant function. Okay, so let's look at this example and let's figure out where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. So increasing means that our function is going to get bigger. So at this point, that's not increasing, but starting at this point down here, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger until it reaches this point. And there is no other area where the function is increasing. So we would say in interval notation, our function is increasing from -4 to 0. And because they are both solid dots, it would be a bracket and not just a parenthesis. Now, where is our function decreasing? So that means where is it going down? So our function is going down here. It's going straight across here, and it's going down here. So we have two areas that our function is decreasing. So we would use two different sets of interval notation. So it's decreasing from -6 to -4, and it's also decreasing from 3 to 6. And our last example is the constant. So the constant is where it's flat. So we have one area that's flat. And on here it is flat from 0 to 3. So our constant interval would be bracket 0, 3 bracket.